Hello, my name is Darren Thomas. I am the Director of Educational Research Techniques. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to make a scale in Moodle and how to use it in an actual assignment. So let's take a look at our objectives or our shopping list for today as we deal with Moodle. So we are going to create a scale that has 3 levels to it. And then next, we are going to create an assignment that actually uses and employs this scale. Those are the 2 main objectives for today's video. So let's go back to Moodle. I'm already logged into Moodle and I already have my class up. And so the first thing that I need to do in order to make my scale is I need to go down here and off to the right hand side. In this particular version of Moodle, you have a button called, or a little area to call Gradebook Setup. So I click here. Now next, in order to make my scale, I need to click on Scales. So I click right here on Scales. And you can see that there are already some standard scales. Standard scales are scales that can be used across your Moodle site by anybody. Custom scales are scales that only you can use in whatever particular class you created them for. So in order to create a new scale, you go down right here at the bottom and you click Add a New Scale. Now, as you should already know from using Moodle, if there's a red star next to it, you must complete that information. So I must give my scale a name. So I'm going to call it Example Scale. The next button here, it does not have a star next to it, is Standard Scale. If I click that box, the scale that I create can be used by anybody across my Moodle site. Your particular version of Moodle might not give you that permission because different people have different privileges inside Moodle, and I have an administrative privilege. Underneath that, we have Scale. Now, this is where you set up your levels. If you remember from our objectives, we want to create a scale that has 3 levels. So what you do is you type in whatever word or phrase you want to use. So I'm going to make a scale that has 3 levels. The first level is poor. Then I have to put a comma. Next, the second level is okay. I put a comma. And the last level is good. So that is my scale. The commas tell Moodle where one level begins and when the next, or when the level ends. So poor comma means that's one level. That's the lowest level, by the way. It goes from negative or from lowest score to highest score. So poor will be worth 1, okay will be worth 2, and good will be worth 3 points. This is a very, very, very simple scale. So next, we have here a description. You do not have to put anything here. That is why there is no red star here. But in case you want to, tell people what the scale is about, how it works, what it's for, this will be very useful for them. Once you have completed these steps, you need to click Save Changes. And now my scale is created. You can see that my new scale, example scale, is under custom scales. I can only use it in this particular class. So now I'm going to go back to my home page and I'm going to create an assignment that uses my new scale. So again, I've already shown how to make assignments in other videos, so I'm not going to explain exactly what I'm doing. So I'm just going to type in here the assignment name, example, and there's one thing new that you need to see. If you want to use a scale, you need to go down to the grade option when making an assignment and click here on Scale. After you do that, you must select the scale you would like to use. So I just created the scale called Example Scale. I highlight this, and now the scale that I want to use is now created. And then I can click Save and Display if I want to look at it. And now the assignment is created. So it's completed. Now, I'm going to show you now in another class on my Moodle site how you can actually use a scale to mark assignments. So here is the assignment right here that I created earlier. If I want to actually mark an assignment, I click on Grade and it'll take me here. So here's the assignment. It was a PDF. You can see the PDF right here in the view or right here on the screen. And when I want to actually make a grade, I click over here on Grade right here off to the side. So I can give it whatever grade I want, we'll just say, 8 out of 10. And then after that, you click Save Changes, and then Moodle will tell you that a grade has been submitted. And so you can see right here that it tells me how many points the person got, 8 out of 10 or 80%. I used a different scale for this example in this other class. But this is how scales are created and how they are used in Moodle. One thing I need to mention before concluding this video is that scales can be used for many different activities within Moodle. You can use them for assignments. You can use them to grade responses in forums. You can use them to grade responses in glossaries, etc. It is a very flexible tool that can be used in many different situations in Moodle. So I hope that this video was helpful for you and that you benefited from this information. Thank you for watching.